So we're back in the bathroom. As you can see, we got rid of the tub. So the tub is out. And now what we're doing is taking up the tile, the vinyl tile that's on the floor. So when you're taking up the tile, getting one of these can be handy. But sometimes the glue is so thick and so tight that it's so hard that you can't. This is ineffective, and you end up using a lot more muscle than you really need to. So what you want to do is for about this here. This is about for about 25 bucks. You can get one of these. Now, of course, if you want to pay 60 or 100, 200 bucks, they got a 200 bucks one of these. But this right here for 20 bucks does the trick. And what this is a hot gun. It's called a hot gun. You know, save yourself some stress and trouble. Get the kind of get the corded kind, not the cordless. The cordless, you know, you gotta charge it and so on and so on. Just get the one, plug it in, and keep it moving. Now, I'm just going to demonstrate and show you how easy it is. So, what you want to do, you go ahead and put it on. And I'm going to come down here to the floor and put it right here. And so what you want to do is just heat up the edge like this. It is hot. And so what I recommend to do is, once you see it start to curl at the edge, then you move on to another piece, and you can actually let that cool for like 1 or 2 seconds, and then you can start peeling it up. So you see how easy it just comes up? Now, this right here might take a little bit more time than than you need, because sometimes you'll have and then you just take your little knife or whatever, take that off, and you throw it away in the garbage. But again, this is it's relatively easy. You don't use a lot of strength, a lot of muscles. It'll loosen that glue up, and then you could just peel it right up. Now this does get very hot, so you don't want it to be pointed at you or your skin or anything like that. Point it down. When you're done, cut it off. That's one way to do it. So I'm just going to demonstrate a little bit more, and then we'll go from there. See how easy that comes up? Now, again, what you want to do, you want to wear your mask at all times, because you never know what kind of gases this is going to release. So any of your personal protection devices, gloves, masks, that kind of stuff, it's a good idea to wear it.